Okay, this is my homemade power hammer. I use it for making Damascus. And this is how it works. This is just a piece of mahogany. It's dense enough that it won't fly to pieces on us. I don't like to hit the tool head against itself. So you just turn it on, raise up your head. Just like that. Does a really good job. Only cost me about $300-400. If you could find a used motor and use all scrap material, you might be able to get this done for maybe $100 or $200, and it cuts your work in by about 60%, maybe more.